Look at her butt. It is so...
She looks like one of those rap guys' girlfriends, but, you know, who understands those rap guys? They only talk to her because she looks like a total prostitute.
Oh.
I mean, her butt is just so...
So big.
I can't believe it's just so round. It's just like out there. I mean, gross. Look, she's just so...
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. When a girl walks in with the itty bitty waist and around thick in your face, you get sprung. Wanna pull out a tongue cause it's stuck. Dip in the jeans she's wearing. I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh baby, I wanna get with ya and take your picture. My homeboy tried to warn me that butt you got made me so hard. Ooh, rumpa smooth kick. You say you wanna win my bed? Well, use me, cause you ain't that average groupie. I seen him dancing, to hell with romancing. He's wet, sweat wet, got going on turbo vet. I'm tired of magazines, same type of all the things. Take the average black man and ask him that. She got a pack much back. So, fellas, that girlfriend got a butt. Tell her, shake that nasty butt. Baby got back. Yeah, let's put the clean version. Oh, I know the bad version. Baby got back. I like them round and big, and the ones throwing out a gig, I just can't knock myself out acting like an animal. Now here's my scandal. I wanna get you home and double up, I ain't talking about Playboy, cause silicone parts are made for toys. I want them real thick and juicy, so find that juicy double. With a lot of free trouble, begging for a piece of that bubble. So I'm looking at the rock videos, knock these dimples ring like hoes. You can have them dimples, I keep my women like Flojo. A word to the thick soul, since I wanna get with ya. I won't cuss or hit ya, but I gotta be straight when I say I wanna. To the break of dawn, then gotta go on. A lot of symptoms like this song, cause them punks like to hit it gritty. But I'd rather say playing cause I'm long, and I'm strong, and I'm down to get the friction on. So, ladies, you wanna roll in my Mercedes?
Hell yeah.
Turn around, stick it out. Even white boys got to shout. Baby got back. Baby got back. Yeah, baby. When it comes to female, Cosmo ain't got nothing to do with my selection. 36, 24, 36. Only if she's 5'3". Yep. So your girlfriend drives a Honda. Put in workout, takes my Honda. But my Honda ain't got no motor on the back of her Honda. My Anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun. So you can do side bends or sit-ups. But please don't lose that butt. Some brothers want to play that hard role and tell you that your butt ain't gold. So they toss it and leave it. And now pull up quick to retrieve it. So Cosmo said you're fat. But I ain't down with that. Cause your waist is slot and your curves are kicking. And I'm thinking about sticking to the beanpole down to the magazine. You ain't it, missing. Give me a sister, I can't resist her. Red beans and rice and a mixture. Some no has to diss. Cause this girls are on my list. He had a game but he told to hit him. But I pull up quick to retrieve him. So ladies, if your butt is round and you want to triple extra down, dial 1-900 mix a lot and keep them nasty stuff. Oh, baby got back. Baby got back. Little in the middle, but she got much back.